So on this 150, it looks like the salmon wire is closed off. The yellow wire is going to one side of the rectifier, and then I have another yellow wire going to the other side of the rectifier, and I will figure out where the red wires are going. All right, so now I have another 150 inline with a distributor. This has a CDI harness that's attached to it. You can see it says CDI right there. So there's a CDI harness that's on it now. The red goes to your starter relay, your solenoid. The black goes to the starter ground that you have here. The salmon is also not connected on this engine. You've got the white wire that goes to the white. You've got the gray wire that goes to your choke relay, and there should be a brown wire that goes to your rectifier. I don't see that. The yellow goes to the yellow that you see down there goes to your one side of your starter solenoid, and the black goes to the other. So we have, and here's the brown wire. I see it's in here. Here's your brown wire. Here's your brown wire that is going to that spot right there on the switch box, which may help, but I also tend to put it on the rectifier for the new distributors that we have. So that's your wiring on an inline 6 with a distributor. So the red and black is straightforward. The yellow goes to your starter solenoid, the black goes to the other side of the starter solenoid, the red hooks up to your red. There's a jumper that goes to the third position on the other switch box that you can see right there. So that's the red that goes there. The white goes to the white, and the salmon is not connected.
Thank you for watching this brief video. Please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and feel free to leave a comment. I usually respond to comments in 24 to 48 hours. Have a great day today and every day.